Hello viewers, I am Laksh, Cybersecurity Instructor, Slytherin EduTech Private Limited. A sweet welcome to all of you for connecting with the Slytherin family. This session is mainly about the ESCCI internship which is completed on 10th of November. Right, we have completed that. So I am here to summarize the internship and to share the other informations too. Like those students who have completed their internship can apply for their certificate before 12th November 2022 before midnight. So for that you have to visit this website like slytherin.co.in. I will share this link in the description. So you have to open that link slytherin.co.in and you have to visit the program section, right? You can see in the screen in the program section you can just click into the certificate section and after clicking into the certificate section, you can see there are three options are there: workshop, course and internship. You have to click into the internship option and after then you have to put your name like here something something and the phone number you have to put the phone number and the state you have to choose the particular state and in an email ID you have to put the email ID which you have registered for the internship, right? So after then here it is asking for the date, so you have to click into this section and you have to choose the 10th of October, that is the joining date of that internship. So you have to choose 10th of October. Okay, so you have choose that. After then you have to select the department, like in which department you have done the internship. So this time we have completed the internship on the occasion of National Cybersecurity Awareness Month, Ethical Hacking and Cybercrime Investigation. So you have to choose the fourth one. Okay, so once you have selected that, you have to click into the register option. Once you have done the register, now so for that you have been given a time period of till 12th of November 2022. So you can download your certificate by claiming internship certificate. After then, after the 12th of November, you have to again visit this website and you have to click into the claim internship certificate. And once when you click into the internship certificate, it will be asking for your email ID, registered email ID, and select the department. Again, you have to select the department as NCSAM, National Cybersecurity Awareness Month, EHCCI. Okay, so after putting all those details, you can easily able to download the certificate. Okay, that's all about the certificate and all. So there are some errors and there are some queries related to the certificate applications and all I have received in the WhatsApp. So what are those queries? Like some of the students have already put some other dates here, right? And they are not able to edit that. So in that case, just leave that. The internal system will automatically mention all the timing or all the dates as an joining date, right? So no need to change and all. Okay, you are unable to re-register with the another email ID. You only have to register with your registered email ID. Now some other queries are like some of the students have said they have registered for the workshop, right? Some of the students have said like they have mistakenly registered for the workshop course section and the workshop section. Okay, so no need to worry about that. You have to again visit into the internship section and again you have to put all the details with that particular email ID and you have to choose the this ESCCI NCSM. I'm again repeating, if you have selected any HR, ESCCI or web development, so in that case you will not be approved for the certificate, right? So that's all for the certificate. Now we have much more informations to share with all of you guys. Like we have left some of the portions, like we are doing the image forensics in our internships and we have seen many of the frameworks like live forensics, non-live forensics, how investigator and how cyber cells are approaching and investigating any particular cyber crime. So we have left some of the portions like IP tracing and the framework used in the security companies and all. So I just want to say, just stay connected with us. Soon I will share the practical videos link for that either in Telegram group or in YouTube. So stay connected here. Okay. So at the last, otherwise the other things you can do is like you can stay connected in Telegram. We are regularly conducting a webinar in different topics in ethical hacking, digital world, how to create companies, job and all. And we are not checking charges, any charges for that. So really this will be a beneficial for you. Okay, all the information regarding all those things I will share in a Telegram group. So in the description you will see the website link and the Telegram group link and the social media, all the links I will provide in the description. Okay. So at the last, we are providing also ethical hacking and cybercrime investigation training, and that training is the training durations of this 5 to 6 months. Okay, so you can see in the home page. So many of the students have asked for this ESCCI new batch registration. So that is for the those students who wants to enroll for the paid training. So we are providing this training. The duration of this training is 5 to 6 months, and I can confidently say that this will be one of the best training to learn from zero to advanced with the live classes in India these times, right? You can even try this training, like how this training is going on. So आप अगर उसको try करना चाहते हैं तो आप यहाँ पे register कर सकते हैं. So Slytherin especially started this training for the students who unable to pay a lots of money to get the professional knowledge in cyber security. बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा लगता है, and there are lots of scammers are there in the cyber security domain, like 99 one Howdens, इस तरीके में चीज़ों को सेल करी जा रहे हैं. So if you really wants to know the what are the syllabus and what are the modules we are providing in this particular training, so you can just register into the ESCCI this link. Okay, so you can just visit the website, and you can see in the first page of this website आप यहाँ पे ESCCI register पे click करके register कर सकते हैं. Fine. So we insure for the job also. So if you want to connect with us for this paid training, you can just fill this form. You will not be charged anything for filling this form. I am again repeating, कोई भी charges नहीं लगेंगे इसको fill करने के लिए. Once when you click into this section, you will be redirected to this page, and after then you will have to click into the register now option. Okay, जैसे ही आप इस option को fill करेंगे, so that after then you can receive messages in your WhatsApp with the public official number of this license. Otherwise you can message or call into the respective numbers जो यहाँ पे Google form में डाले गए हैं. So within 48 hours or 1 or 2 days you will get all the info like syllabus, fees, some of the free videos for observation, because after without observations हम आपको ये नहीं बोलते हैं कि हाँ पेड वाले में जाए. So that is the thing. So once you have done with this Google form, you will receive the query message or message related to the other things, syllabus, fee structure, and the course modules and the observation videos in your WhatsApp links. So don't give the wrong details over there if you want to receive the messages. You have to choose Hindi classes preference, English classes preference. You have to put all the details correctly, and you have to select the ethical hacking and cybercrime investigations new batch. Okay, once again I am repeating, this training will be in live mode, so you will be given live classes, and recorded lectures are also available. So that's all for today, I guess. Okay, so we will meet soon with some really important videos. So thank you and have a nice day.